In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix your iPhone video sound not working. Now, this can be for a multitude of reasons, but we're going to go through every fix in this video. If you find this useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. The first thing you want to do is head on over to your control center by swiping down from the top of your phone. You're going to see a bunch of different settings. The first thing we're going to do is make sure our volume toggle is all the way up to make sure that's not the issue. Secondly, we want to make sure that your iPhone is not connected to any Bluetooth device like a wireless headset or anything like that, or speakers around the house or something. So you want to turn Bluetooth off. So once making those changes, head on over to your photo album where you want to listen to a video. Now once you click on a video, you can see that I still can't hear anything. Now the reason for this is whenever you have a video being played, as soon as you click on it, it's always going to be automatically set on mute. Now what you want to do is click on this bottom icon here. And as you can see, I can hear it again. And if I want to toggle it to mute, I just press that button one more time. Now, if I go to YouTube and I want to watch a YouTube video instead, let me just click on something. Now you should be able to hear it. And if for any reason you're not able to hear it, just head back on over and make sure your volume is all the way up and you're not connected to any Bluetooth device. And just for safety, turn your Bluetooth off on your phone. And then once you play it again, you should be able to hear it and you should be good to go.